Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales. It's summertime. You might have guessed it's almost July 4th. And I felt like making a summery cocktail, but not just any cocktail. We're going to break out the blender and do something kind of fun. So the cocktail we're going to make today is called a Banana Cabana. So of course, we need a banana. So here's what you do. We're going to start with one whole banana. Peel that and drop it into the blender. Now I'm using a Ninja blender so I don't have to chop everything up ahead of time. Vitamix works great as well. If you've got one of those cheap blenders, you might want to break this up so it's not really a mess. All right, up next, we're going to need an ounce of coconut rum, 1 ounce. Doesn't matter what kind of coconut rum, use whatever kind you like. I happen to like Bacardi coconut rum and a couple others, but that's one of my favorites. All right, then we're going to need 1 ounce of dark rum, actual dark rum. Don't use just a gold rum. This is Myers Original Dark Jamaican Rum, one of my absolute favorites. In fact, one of my favorite liquors at all. I'm going to use about 1.25 ounces, even though the recipe generally calls for 1 ounce, because I like dark rum. All right, we need 1 ounce of banana liqueur. Again, doesn't matter what kind you use. This is just de Kruiper. This stuff's like $7. You can make your own if you'd rather, but just need 1 ounce of banana liqueur. I'm almost out of grenadine. So when I'm done here, I'm going to go make some more grenadine. But for this, I need about 1/2 ounce. If you don't know how to make this stuff, it is incredibly easy. And I will, if you haven't seen a video on how to do it online, I'm happy to make one. But use real grenadine. The product's a lot better. 1/2 ounce. You need a couple ounces of pineapple juice. Now this is whole pineapple juice. It's not the frozen concentrate stuff. And you need 2 ounces. You're going to need 2 ounces of orange juice. Now I like blood orange juice, but you can use just regular OJ. It's not going to matter. But you need 2 ounces of orange juice. And then you're going to need some ice. This is about 12 ounces of ice. You probably don't need that much. Enough to cover the bottom. And this is going to get noisy, so I will mute it. You basically want this the consistency of a slushie. If you'd like it as a frozen drink, add more ice. But really the idea is to have just some ice crystals in it and have it chilled. A fun drink needs a fun glass. Also need a garnish. You could use a slice of banana on this, a wedge of pineapple. I'm going to use just a few Luxarno cherries. So we're just going to take this off the blender, straight into the glass. This is designed to make 2 drinks this size, or 1 really big one for your tumbler by the pool. And there we have the Banana Cabana. Enjoy. As always, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to make, food or drink. And eat and drink fabulous. I'll see you on the next one.